Hi students, welcome to today's video class. In our previous video, we have discussed how to find out the sum of nth terms. Okay, let us recall that once again. Sum of nth term of arithmetic progression is given by Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So we know n will be the number of terms, a will be the first term of the arithmetic progression and d will be the common difference. This is the formula which we are going to use when the first term a and the common difference d is given. Similarly, we are having another formula, that is Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus l. As you know already, this is the formula which will be used to calculate sum of nth term when the first term a and the last term l is given. Based on this formula, we have solved an example problem already. Okay, let us move on to the next exercise. In this, the first problem is find the sum of the AP 34, 32, 30 plus it will continue up to the last term, that is 10. Here the first term and the last terms of the arithmetic progressions are given. We need to find out the sum of this arithmetic progression. So we know already when the first term and the last term of the arithmetic progression is given, means we need to use the formula Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus l. If we observe the problem, the first term of the arithmetic progression is 34, that is nothing but a, and l is equals to 10, that is nothing but the last term. Next, n we need to find out. So the number of terms is not given here, and as we have to find out the sum of the progression, arithmetic progression, so we need to find out Sn is equals to question mark. Here there are two unknowns. First we need to calculate n, and then we need to go for calculation of Sn. Okay, so in order to find out the value of Sn, the formula will be Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus l, a plus l. So a will be the first term and l will be the last term. So as the value of a and l are known, first we need to find out the value of n. If I find out this value for n, so then everything will be obtained, and then only thing is we need to substitute. So in order to find out the value of n, we have a specific formula, that is the general term of the arithmetic progression, that is nothing but an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So as we need to find out the value of n, so we know the value for a and we can calculate the value for d, and an will be the nth term, that is 10. So now 10 is equals to, as the value of a is 34, plus as we need to calculate n, let us write as it is n minus 1 into the common difference can be calculated by second term minus first term, that is d is equals to a2 minus a1. 32 minus 34 will be minus 2. Next, if I simplify this, 10 is equals to 34 plus minus 2 into n will be minus 2n, minus into minus will be plus 2. So we can simplify this further. 10 minus 34 minus 2. I have shifted this 34 and 2. So both are constant. So I have shifted this to the left hand side. If I shift this to the left hand side, the sign will get changed. So here it is plus. If it comes to other side, it will become minus. 10 minus 34 minus 2 is equals to minus 2n as it is. Okay, now the answer will be 10 minus 36 is equals to minus 2n. So minus 26 is equals to minus 2n. So in order to find out the value for n, I'll shift this 2 to the denominator. So in the next step, we can write this as minus 26 whole thing divided by minus 2 is equals to n. Minus 26 whole thing divided by minus 2 is equals to n. So these two will get cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 13s are. So therefore, we got the value for n. So as both the terms are involving negative signs, these two negative signs will get cancelled. So 2 ones are 2 13s will be 26. Therefore, the value of n will be 13. So now I got the value for n. So just substitute here. Okay. Now yes, 13 can be written as the value of n will be 13, and 13 S13 is equals to 13 by 2 into 34 plus 10. So the value of A will be 34 and L will be 10. Okay, now only thing is we need to simplify step by step. S13 is equals to 13 by 2 into 34 plus 10 will be 44. Later I have added these two, 34 and 10. Next, these two will get cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 22s are. So S13 is equals to 13 into, so as these two will get cancelled, the answer will be 22. So the next step will be S13 is equals to, if I multiply these two, that will be the value of sum of 13th term. S13 is equals to 286. So we got the answer for this problem. The sum of this arithmetic progression is 286. S13 is equals to 286. This is how we can calculate the sum of nth term when the arithmetic progression is given. Okay, I hope you understood. Next, the homework problem. So in an AP, A is equals to 5, D is equals to 3, AN is equals to 50, and find N and Sn. So here the values for first term and the common difference and the nth term are given and the nth term are given. You need to find out the value for N and Sn. First, find out the value for N by using an formula. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a is given, d is given, and the value of an is given. Just substitute those things and you will get the value for n. So after obtaining the value for this n, you can substitute that value of n in the Sn formula so that you will get the value for Sn. Thank you.